Here's how to create a new project. Press the Project button. Select the Create New Project folder icon and press Enter. Now press F5 to execute. When asked to save the current project, press F1 for No. You'll now notice that your MV is in pattern mode with one audio track and one MIDI track loaded up, but you can have up to 64 MIDI tracks in pattern mode and 128 MIDI tracks in song mode. First thing we need to do now is load up an instrument, which we normally refer to as a patch. Remember, patches are the same thing as instruments. Here's how to load a patch. Press the Instruments button. Select Part 1. Press the Menu button. Select number 3, Load Patch, and press the flashing Enter button. Select the Patches folder and press Enter. Now let's select the category folder, Drum Kits, and press Enter. Select the patch MV-8800 and press F5 to load. The Assign to Part box will appear. Make sure you have selected Part 1 to assign the instrument to and press F5 to execute. Now press the Pattern button to take you back to the main sequence page. Now that you have the 808 drum kit on Part 1, make sure it's properly assigned to the MIDI track on the main sequence page. Here's how to check track parameters. Select the MIDI track using the cursor buttons. Press F2 for track parameters. Cursor down to Output Assign, and make sure the MV-8008 instrument is selected. Now press F5 to close. Select the MIDI track again, and now press any of the velocity pads to trigger the drum samples within the instrument. Now it's time to record and sequence a beat. By default, the MV will be in pattern mode with a 2-measure loop already set. This can easily be changed. Let me show you how to create a simple beat in the MV-8800. To make a beat, follow these simple steps. Select the MIDI track. Press the BPM tap button to set your tempo, then press Close. Press Record. Set a count-in if you like. The MV defaults with a 2-measure count-in. You may also want to turn the Input Quantize feature on, located toward the bottom of this same menu box. Set it to Grid, with the grid resolution at 120, which simply translates to 1/16th note quantize. Press Play. Wait for the 2-measure count-in and play the pads. Press the Record button again to put the MV in rehearsal mode. This allows you to press the pads and try different sounds within the pattern as it plays in real time without recording. When you're ready to record again, simply press the flashing Record button to take it out of rehearsal mode and start recording. This feature allows you to never stop the creative flow as you're making a beat.